Crypto 2-minute tutorial. How to add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. The goal of this tutorial is to add the Binance Smart Chain to your networks in the MetaMask wallet. In order to do this, you want to first go to coinmarketcap.com. In the search bar, type in cake. Go to PancakeSwap. Go to the pancakeswap.finance website. If this MetaMask notification box does not immediately show up, you want to first hit Connect Wallet, MetaMask. Now you want to allow this site to add a network, which is the Binance Smart Chain mainnet network. Approve. Switch network. You now have the Binance Smart Chain mainnet in your networks.